Good evening, foodies. So I'm going to show you how to make a healthier side for your main meal. So instead of chips or rice, so this is quinoa, however it's pronounced. That's what it is. This is already cooked. This is cooked one. We buy in a packet. Easy peasy, just for a quick side. So in here we've got some melted butter and some olive oil. We've got onion and garlic, and this is wild garlic chopped up, but you can use spinach or peas or whatever you want really. So into the pan, put the onions and garlic. It's a great alternative, it's healthy. You can add whatever herbs and spices you want to it as well, but I'm just making it with this today. With some salt and pepper. I like it with tomato in it as well, but because I've got tomato in my main meal tonight, I'm not putting tomato in it today. So I'm going to do that and let that cook off a little bit. Once the onions have softened, add your quinoa, Keanu Reeves, no idea how you pronounce it. Give it a stir and get the flavours. I've also added salt and pepper. Basically you're just heating it through because it's already cooked. And then add in the wild garlic. So I'm going to turn this right down and add a knob of butter. It's good for your heart. Don't believe all the hype about cholesterol. It's not true. It's a fallacy. We need the fats. We need healthy fats like butter and olive oil and coconut oil and avocado oil. If anyone's looking for an alternative oil that gets to high temperature for like maybe chips or something that needs a high temperature cook, then look at avocado oil. It is not the cheapest. It's not the cheapest, however, it's so good for your heart. So I'm going to turn that off and leave it to absorb the flavours. So give it a try, an alternative to rice and chips. Enjoy!